What's up, y'all? I'm Pat with Old Line Tailgate Company, and tomorrow's the 4th of July at Baker Park in Frederick, Maryland. What's up, Jesus? So tomorrow's the 4th of July, and we're getting ready for it, and this is somehow the third festival we've done at Baker Park already. 2 years since our first YouTube video, and what do you think, Grant? Easier or harder?
Easier in some ways, but it's hotter than hell.
Yeah, it's really hot, and our trailer's 2 years old now, so it doesn't run as well as it used to. So it's unclear whether or not we're gonna have air conditioning tomorrow. But before we do anything, we gotta get out to Baker Park. It is, it's 4:20, look at that. We're doing a different kind of smoking. We gotta get out to Baker Park and get the trailer set before 5 o'clock, where it will sit all night waiting for us bright and early tomorrow morning. Let's go. Kyle's driving my truck because he's better at parallel parking the trailer. All right, we're all set up for tomorrow. Headed back to Dragon for trivia night tonight. Woo! Woo! Yeah, it's hot out, very hot out. So part of our YouTube channel now is that we do these POV cooking videos where I put a little camera on my hat and film myself cooking something, and those videos did really well. And today for 4th of July, we're doing jalapeno poppers. So we're gonna do that now.
The next morning.
Welcome to Madden.
Good morning. Happy birthday, America. How's 250 feel? It is go time. Year number 3 at Baker Park starts right now. We are on our way to Dragon to get everything that we need for the big barbecue festival. If we don't die again on 15 first, this road is very scary, and I live on it. Today is the biggest day of the year for us. So long as these thunderstorms hold off, we should do very well today. And regardless of what happens, we'll have a good time doing it, shotgun a couple beers, and finish it off with some fireworks. So let's boogie down this road and get this thing going. Woo! All right, we're here. Baker Park, 4th of July, year number 3. This menu printed really good.
Yeah, no.
All right, we're on the truck. 4th of July, Baker Park. Grant, what are you doing?
Cooking chicken.
Woo!
Give me a 4th.
Give me the 4th. Break me off a piece of that 4th of July.
B&B charcoal briquettes.
So normally, we always use B&B charcoal straight out of Texas. We usually use lump oak because it tastes really good and sounds more traditional. Competition briquettes were on sale today. And in a situation like today where you're cooking hot all day long, they kind of work better anyway. So that's what we went for. We'll see if it's our undoing or a great call. I don't know, I'm building drama.
This fan will be nice.
All right, it is 2:22, and we haven't had a sale in like 40 minutes. This happens every year this time. It's boring.
It is.
Very boring. Sitting around waiting for the rush, and then we'll do like $6 grand in 3 hours. Woo! 6:30, and this festival is dead. The big narrative on social media and the news all week is how hot it was going to be today, and it looks like everyone believed them. It's hot. It's not that hot, but the crowds are not here. So hopefully they'll come for fireworks, but we are definitely down from what we've done the last 2 years. So still plenty of time. 4 hours left. We'll see what happens. It apparently might thunderstorm, so that could hurt things too, but we'll see.
A few moments later.
All right, well, they're evacuating Baker Park, so that's bad for business. It's going to storm. This time last year, this park was absolutely brimming with people, and there's like nobody here, and the park is actively trying to get who is here gone. This is great. You can see the rain not even a mile down further into the park coming up at us. It's going to be hard, and no one here is ready for this. What a disaster. This really does suck.
This is why I'm glad we have a trailer at least, right?
Yeah. At the very least, we're a trailer and not a tent. That would be freaking miserable. I mean, this is miserable, but that would be tragic. They're still cooking over there. The Thai place next to us is operating as if nothing is happening. All right, it's fully pouring. There's literally nobody here. This is seriously unfortunate, but there is still time left in the day. If the rain passes, they could still do the fireworks. We'll still be open. Some of the other stands have closed. We'll see. It'll be an interesting next few hours.
They shut down. Crepes shut down. Fish and chips shut down. All right.
So the rain has stopped. The crowds are coming back. It is still not a sure thing that we're going to do well tonight, but at least we have a chance. So let's see what happens. Woo!
Giggity, giggity.
Woo! All right, we're 30 minutes from fireworks. We recovered a little bit. Was not that great. Still a failure of a day, but at least it recovered a little bit there at the end. But that's the life we chose. That's what it's like to run a food truck, and that's why we are trying to diversify into doing other things, not just food truck stuff, like rubs. Go to oldlinetailgate.com/shop to get the brand new Mid-Atlantic rub. All right, well, that's the way it goes sometimes. When people think about starting a food truck, and they often do think about starting a food truck at me, they usually picture pretty much just the all-American good times. Really what the 4th of July Festival is supposed to be and has been in the past. They don't think about the slow nights in bad parking spots because that's all you can find that day. They don't think about the sun going down at 5:30 in February, and they certainly don't think about what happens when you get a torrential rainstorm in the middle of your biggest festival day of the year. Sometimes you just lose $5,000, and there's no insurance or silver lining that's gonna fix that. It is what it is, and that's all that it is. You just build it into your year and hope it doesn't happen on the big days, but sometimes it does. But we will carry on. We've got some very big news coming down the pipeline. It's actually happening right now. I've got a meeting in like 2 hours about it that we cannot discuss yet, but once we do, wow. It's big. But that's gonna do it for this one. Once again, we do not beg for subscribers, so hang out or don't, but we would love to see you in the future for more tailgating adventures. Thank you very much for watching. Keep on highway living, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.